Hi, today we are going to see demo for expenses management MERN web application. First we will start the MongoDB. Then click on the connect. Next open the Visual Studio. Explore the SRC folder. Then you can view the backend and the client server. It have a source code. Then go to the client and click on the SRC folder. You can view the components. It's have a React.js files. Next, click on the readme text. Here you can able to see the how to open the web application and login details. Then run the backend and the client server. So open the terminal. Click on the new terminal. First we will run the backend server. So copy the CD backend and paste to the backend terminal. Then install the backend server. So copy the npm install and paste to the server. I have already installed. So I will start the backend server. Copy the npm start and paste to the backend server, backend terminal. Now backend server is connected. Next to open the client terminal. So click on the plus. Copy the CD client and paste to the terminal. Then start the client server. So click on copy the run div, paste to the terminal. Client server also connected. Then you can view the URL link, copy the URL code and paste to the browser. Now we can view the expensive management web application. We have to sign up. First go to the user register. Register the given detail. Enter your name, email ID, then password. Enter your mobile number and city. Click on the sign up. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Now click on the sign up. Register successfully. If you already registered, you can using your email ID and password, then register the user homepage. Enter your mail ID, password. Login successfully. Now we can view the user homepage. First go to the create category. Here you can create your expenses category. Then create successfully. Next go to the categories detail. Here you can view the all categories details on this page. Then go to the add expenses. Here you can add your expenses amount on this page. So select the category and select the date. Next enter the amount. Next go to the my expenses. Here you can view the all expenses reports on this page. Next, select the from and to date. Click on the filter. Here you can view the 1 week of expenses amount. Next, go to the set budget limit. Here you will be set our expenses budget limit. Select the category and set the from and to range amount. Then click on the submit. Create successfully. Next, go to the my budget limit. Here you can view the budget limit range amount on this page. Then go to the my expenses summary. Here you can view our expenses range amount. Example, create view my budget. You will see our range amount on this page. Grocery range amount is 3000 to 5000, but you will spend amount is 5000 above, so your budget range amount is high. Then select our start date and end date. Then click on the filter. Here you can view the total price in the from and to date. That's the whole expenses management web application.